5 ways to use food scales for healthy weight loss. In your pursuit of a healthier lifestyle and weight loss, understanding portion sizes and calorie intake is crucial. One effective tool that can help you achieve this and your other fitness and health goals is by using a smart food scale. A smart kitchen scale allows you to have better control over your calorie consumption, food portions, and nutrient intake. Read on to know the benefits of using a food scale for healthy weight loss and learn some practical tips on how to incorporate it into your daily routine. Why food scales matter for weight loss. Portion control plays a vital role in maintaining a healthy weight. Unfortunately, estimating serving sizes by eye can often lead to inaccuracies, resulting in consuming more calories than intended. This is where food scales come in. They provide an exact measurement of the food you consume, empowering you to make informed decisions about your diet. It is a great tool to have to ensure that you don't overeat. Food scales offer several benefits for weight loss. Accuracy. Food scales allow you to measure ingredients with precision. Precise measurements are important to help you consume the right portions as per your dietary plan. With measuring increments of 1 g/1 ml/0.05 ounces/0.1 fl.oz, our smart food scales, for example, are designed to provide reliable measurements. Tare function is one of their innovative features that allows you to subtract the weight of a container to get more accurate readings. Awareness. Using a food scale promotes mindfulness by making you more aware of the quantity of food you are eating. This awareness helps you identify areas where you may be overeating. Overeating may not only lead to weight gain but may also give rise to various health risks like obesity and insulin resistance. Consistency. Consistency is key to successful weight loss. A food scale enables you to replicate portion sizes accurately, ensuring you maintain a consistent calorie intake. Role of food scales in weight management. Customized calorie tracking. Smart food scales are equipped with advanced features that enable customized calorie tracking, making it easier to achieve your weight loss goals. You may use it following purposes. Food database integration. Many smart scales have built-in databases of food items and their corresponding nutritional information. By weighing your food on the scale, it automatically calculates the calorie content based on the database, allowing you to track your intake accurately. Real-time tracking. Some smart scales can sync with mobile apps or fitness trackers, providing real-time updates on your calorie intake. This feature helps you stay accountable and make adjustments as needed throughout the day. One example of a digital food scale with an app connectivity is the Renpho Smart Nutrition Scales. Our range can easily be connected to the Genic app, where you can calculate your calorie consumption as well as monitor your daily nutritional intake and keep an up-to-date nutrition log. Genic app works with Bluetooth 5.0 or above and syncs with Apple Health. Renpho's Smart Food Scale 2 model, for example, works well with Genic and Apple Health, ensuring that your important health data is right at your fingertips. Read our blog on Renpho Smart Food Scale. Get the most out of nutrition with Genic app to learn more about how you can maximize your use of the Renpho Nutrition Scale. Nutrient monitoring and analysis. A Bluetooth food scale offers more than just calorie tracking. They also provide valuable insights into the nutrient composition of your meals. For instance, smart scales can display the macronutrient, carbohydrates, protein, and fat, and micronutrient, vitamins and minerals breakdown of your food. This information helps you ensure a balanced diet to help avoid weight gain and make informed choices. The Genic app features a long list of food items with nutrition facts, including calories, vitamins, and proteins, with the option to customize your food data as necessary. With relevant insights just within your reach, you are empowered and can have better control of your food intake. Smart portion control. Portion control is crucial for healthy weight loss, and smart food scales excel in this aspect. Smart scales can guide you in achieving accurate serving sizes by displaying weight-based portions. This eliminates the need for measuring cups or guessing portion sizes, ensuring consistency and better control. Meal planning and analysis. Digital kitchen scales simplify meal planning and analysis, empowering you to make healthier choices. You can apply this for the following purposes. Meal prepping. Use your smart scale to portion out meals and snacks in advance. This allows you to control portion sizes and have pre-portioned meals readily available, reducing the chances of overeating. Recipe modification. By weighing ingredients on a smart scale, you can easily modify recipes to align with your weight loss goals and help ensure your daily nutrient intake. Adjusting ingredient quantities based on accurate measurements ensures you stay within your calorie targets. C. Recipe analysis. Smart scales can analyze and provide nutritional information for your recipe, giving you a comprehensive understanding of the meal's calorie content and nutrient profile. This helps you make informed decisions about incorporating recipes into your diet. Tracking progress and accountability. A digital food scale can be valuable tools for tracking progress and staying accountable throughout your weight loss journey. Moreover, many devices are now a multifunction food scale to elevate your experience. Our Calibra One Smart Nutrition Scale is a 3-in-1 digital food scale with app. Aside from its food nutrition analysis capability, it also features coffee making with timer and diet plan record functions. Conclusion: using a food scale is just one aspect of a comprehensive weight loss plan, as it helps make sure that your daily intake stays within the healthy range. A food scale with Bluetooth connectivity is just a tool. Ultimately, it's important to always prioritize nutritious foods that tend to be lower in calories and higher in essential nutrients, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. It also pays to practice mindful eating to help you enjoy your food and be aware of cues or signals that you're already full. Besides balanced diet and mindful eating, remember as well to complement your efforts with regular exercise and other healthy lifestyle practices. With the right strategies and tools, including Renfo's Smart Food Scales, you're one step closer to a successful and sustained healthy weight loss efforts as part of your healthy living journey. We highly recommend you consult a registered dietitian or nutritionist first before making any dietary changes, especially if you have specific health conditions.